Critical thinking, your NCLEX key. In today's video, let's talk about critical thinking, a key skill for crushing the NCLEX. It's not just about memorizing facts or lab values. No. The NCLEX wants to know if you can think like a nurse. That means using logic and clinical judgment to make safe decisions in real-life situations. You'll be given patient scenarios, and your job is to figure out the best, safest action. Hey future nurse! Getting ready for the NCLEX? Let's talk about one of the most important skills you'll need to pass, critical thinking. It's not about cramming random facts, it's about thinking like a nurse. So if you've ever looked at a question and thought, what are they even asking me? Don't worry. I've got you covered. Section 1. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking means using your brain, not just your memory. The NCLEX will test how you apply what you know, not just if you remember lab values or drug names. You'll need to assess situations, make safe choices, and prioritize care like you would in real life. Section 2. Use the nursing process. One of the easiest ways to boost your critical thinking is to follow the nursing process. Assess, diagnose, plan, implement, and evaluate, or ADPI for short. Here's a tip. If you're not sure what to do first, the answer is usually assess. You can't fix a problem if you don't know what's really going on. Section 3. Prioritize like a pro. Next, think about priority setting. Always use ABCs: airway, breathing, circulation. A patient with chest pain? That's your first stop. Someone asking for a snack? Not so much. You'll also need to know what you can delegate to others. For example, a CNA can take vital signs, but only an RN can evaluate the results. Knowing who does what keeps your care safe, and your NCLEX answers sharp. Section 4. Think, don't memorize. Here's your golden rule: don't just memorize, understand. Let's say a patient's having a blood transfusion reaction. Instead of just remembering it's bad, ask, what's causing it? What signs do I look for? What's the safest first action? This kind of thinking is what gets you to the right answer. Section 5. Practice makes confidence. Want to get better at critical thinking? Practice with realistic NCLEX questions. But don't just click and guess, read the rationales. Learn why an answer is right or why it's not. The more you understand the why, the better you'll do on the test. Remember, critical thinking is a skill. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. So follow ADPI, prioritize safety, analyze every situation, and don't just memorize, connect the dots. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your classmates, and follow for more NCLEX tips.